ito ang aking nag-iisang ingredient, kalabasa. So, ang gagawin natin ay tatanggalan natin na siya ng balat, and then i-slice natin ng almost 2 inches thick or wide. So, let's do it now. Nice. So, kailangan ang kalabasa natin is delicate siya, or kung sa Tagalog medyo malagkit. Okay? Remove the seeds. So, pwedeng maging parang ganito siya, kapit or kalapad yung pag-slice natin. And then, remove the skin. Ganito siya. Okay. So, ito na yung ating skillet. Na-preheat ko na siya. So, let's check kung preheated na talaga siya. So, you can try like this. So, when you saw like the water is like bubbling, that's already ready. So now we can put our kalabasa. So we didn't put anything here, only squash or pumpkin. Okay. Cover it for now, and then it's already in 5 minutes we can lower our heat. Time, so let's lower. Almost done. Look at the color. The color is very nice. So, kung sa oven ko to niluluto, usually I cook it into like 35 to 40 minutes. So in here, in my Saladmaster Skillet, I just cook it into like 25 minutes. So it's a big difference, and also because the color is, it looks like the same, fresh na fresh, unlike na kung niluto mo siya sa oven, naging iba yung kulay niya. Here, it looks delicious. I try it. Okay, timer's ring and it's ready. So now, ita-transfer na natin ang ating kalabasa.
Wow, so nice. Tingin naman sa tingin. Wow.
Looks yummy. Finished product ng kalabasa na niluto natin sa ating Saladmaster Skillet in just 25 minutes by kusina ni Aunty Ging. Thank you for watching.